Unit 15 post-test. Number 1, if something is clear, it is A, sufficient, B, adequate, C, apparent, or D, vague. Number 2, a word meaning deserving is A, peculiar, B, inappropriate, C, immense, or D, worthy. Number 3, if someone is capable, he or she is A, able to perform a task, B, lazy and inactive, C, unable to do anything, or D, beautiful. Number 4, if someone is content, he or she is A, trying hard to be the best, B, happy and satisfied, C, anxious and disturbed, or D, difficult to understand. 5, another word for sufficient is A, scarce, B, special, C, enormous, or D, plenty. Another word, or wait a minute, did I just do that one? No. Another word for severe is A, distinct, B, crucial, C, gentle, or D, harsh.
Oh, nice.
Number 7, if someone is competitive, he or she is A, talented, B, cruel, C, determined, or D, easygoing. Number 8, a word meaning done on purpose is A, intentional, B, accurate, C, competitive, or D, accidental. Number 9, something distinct is A, very important, B, severe, C, clearly different, or D, common or ordinary. 10, another word for enthusiastic is A, exhausted, B, eager, C, disinterested, or D, content. Number 11, something grand or impressive is A, magnificent, B, ugly, C, constant, or D, capable. Number 12, the definition of immense is A, tiny, B, very large, C, nice or good, or D, easily understood.